Destin's Christmas. He doesn't know I'm here yet. We've got his presents set out. That's his gifts. And we're in March, so Christmas was like 3 months ago, something like that. So he's coming in from school. Let's surprise him. He's coming. Merry Christmas! You left your purse on the couch, and he was asking me questions about it. Oops. Which one do you want to open first? That's a nightlight. You want to get in your stocking first?
Is this a new bubble tea?
It sure is. Let's see. This is your stocking. You want to get all the stuff out your stocking? Okay. Pull it out and show it to the camera so Mommy can videotape it, okay? He's been waiting for these presents. You know what that is?
Yes.
That's gummy treats, huh?
Yes, it's spiral. Another. Maybe I could pour it out.
Yeah, let's pour it out. Got it?
No. That was really heavy.
Let's see. Oh, this broke. It's
Did you get
chocolate.
This from?
That's fruit, some applesauce, Jello,
More?
pudding. We got some chocolate pudding in here. Yes, Mommy is a healthy mommy. No candy. You ready to open presents? Here, go ahead and pull it out. Don't show it yet. Keep going. We'll see the video when you're done.
More.
I don't know. What do CDs go in? We don't have a CD player?
No. Lisa has one.
Well, we'll have to take care of that, huh?
Yeah.
Mommy will have to get you one of those soon.
It's a video game.
What kind of video game is it?
Cars.
That's to go with your video game system over here, huh?
Yes. But where's the thing for it?
What thing?
The CD thing for this.
It's in there.
Here.
The game that plays that game is this right here. That's the one you just opened. That'll play in here. It looks like something good, huh? Rip it. Show it no mercy. It's got to be good if it's big.
What is this?
That's your own DVD player.
Is it?
Nope.
What is it?
That's your CD player. For your CD.
Oh.
Cool, huh?